Today we have a Gaggia Classic that was brought to us by Diane. The issue with this being that the steam valve seemed to be leaking anytime that you turn on the brew function. So the issue that we found out to be was the steam valve. So this is an old one. You can see some bit of grime that built up there. This is the old one. We replaced it with a new one. Unfortunately, the customer didn't provide a portafilter, so we don't actually have any Gaggia portafilters that would fit this machine. So I'll run the brew function nonetheless, as well as the steam function. So, nice flow going here. Steam valve doesn't seem to be leaking at all. Stop that. And then we will run the steam option.
Before we do the control.
First, let it heat up.
So I'm not at like my preferred angle because I'm not in front of the machine. Usually I like to do it.
It does take some time, but you can see that it's building up.
Yeah, this is how it's winnable. Especially with the valve solution like this.
Oh, that's normal.
That's normal. But you see how like good it looks. Like you didn't, I really want one straight stream to the valve at the bottom one. And then you get
Temperature's good. Gradually getting stronger. Looking good. Alright, stop that. If you like our videos and want to see more like this, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Take care.